Hi, I'm Sean Coppins with Great Lakes Bankruptcy Center. We have office locations in Warren, Michigan and Southfield, Michigan, serving the residents of Macomb, Oakland, Wayne counties, and all of southeastern Michigan. I'm frequently asked about people contemplating filing for bankruptcy, what they need to do. What will their role be in all of this? Well, we try to keep it very simple for people. If you're contemplating bankruptcy, you should contact my office. We'll discuss with you your financial affairs, the types of assets that you have, the types of debts you have, and we'll make a determination as to whether or not you're eligible for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, or if a Chapter 13 would be in your best interest, or if you need to file a bankruptcy at all. Sometimes there are other alternatives. However, if it does seem that a Chapter 7 or 13 bankruptcy would be in your best interest, we have paperwork that we'll provide you that we'll need you to fill out for us. The first page of that is a checklist of supporting documents that we'll need, which includes pay stubs, tax returns, titles to vehicles, mortgages and deeds to homes and other real property. In addition, we need information about each of your creditors, their mailing address, your complete account numbers, and the balance that you owe each of them. From the information provided in the take-home sheets, we'll create your petition, schedule, statement of financial affairs, and other documents necessary to initiate your bankruptcy process. Once those documents are created, we'll have a meeting with you in our office where we'll go through page by page so that you understand everything that's included in that paperwork. Once it's filed with the court, it takes approximately 3 months for you to receive your discharge. However, the automatic stay does go into effect on the date of filing. I've addressed the automatic stay in another video. During that 3 months, there is only one court appearance that is necessary for you, and that's under Section 341 of the Bankruptcy Code, and it's the meeting of creditors. We often refer to this as a 341 hearing. At the 341 hearing, the trustee will have some basic questions for you about the statement of your financial affairs and the types of debts that you owe. It's not a courtroom proceeding, as there's no judge present and there's no jury. It's a very informal proceeding, but an important one for the bankruptcy process. We generally have about 6 weeks notification as to when that court date will occur, so it's easy for you to schedule around, and the court appearance is very short on that day. Generally, 10 of these meetings are scheduled per hour, so statistically your meeting should be very short. After the meeting of creditors, your creditors have the opportunity to object to the dischargeability of certain debts. We find it's very unusual for us to receive any sort of objection in a Chapter 7, and any objections in a Chapter 13 are usually easily resolved with that creditor. If you have other questions about Chapter 7 or 13 bankruptcy and what you need to do to make that happen, you can contact Great Lakes Bankruptcy Center by calling our Warren office at 586-751-0700 or our Southfield office at 248-508-3290.